Okay, for Missy or any other person that's still going to be confused about, or is still confused about this, if you want to get the pop-up, if you want to translate 1688.com website to English, instead of going to Google Chrome, just go to the Google app here. If you have the Google app, you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. Then go to the website 1688.com. Okay, currently going. Alright, now, as you can see, there are two options for you here. Make that one first. There are two options for you. Either you put it in simplified Chinese simplified, of course you can't understand Chinese, or you put it in English, so it's in the English format. So we choose English. But if you use the Google app. Let me check if it's going to work for Google Chrome. Sorry. It's supposed to work for Google Chrome too. Okay, this is Google Chrome now. So that same pop-up is going to come up. So it's same for every. So just use it, and make sure your Google. And that's just make sure your Google Chrome is actually updated to the latest version of Chrome. So when you're browsing from your desktop, that means you have to download the Google Translate extension for the Chrome. And where you get it? I don't have my desktop here. You get it from the what they call it, the App Store on Chrome. That's when you open your Chrome your Chrome environment, your Google Chrome environment on your desktop. Just type in the search bar, type for apps. You're not searching for anything. It's there. Just search for apps. The way no, not really search for apps. Don't go to the intake bar. You remember? See, just stick with this for now. You're using your phone. Use your phone for this. I think I'm not talking too much. Bye. Peace out.